Hey guys, my name is Christina Nietzsche and this is the Zojirushi Home Bakery. So this thing is absolutely amazing. As you can see, it is quite large, so it's going to fit actually 2-pound bread. So basically you can make 2-pound bread with this. So I'm gonna show you guys a bunch of things in here. We're gonna open this up first because I want you guys to see just how beautiful it is inside. To take this out, you're just gonna basically rock it forward or back. And then this thing comes all the way out. You're gonna have a nice non-slip material so your bread's not gonna get stuck in there. And then these are the 2 paddles that actually get removed, are easy to be washed, which is really nice. We're just gonna pop this right back into here and we're gonna go over some features. So one of the things that I do wanna mention with this is this really ideal for even like large families or even like, you know, with just a couple people. You can do things like white bread, whole wheat, you can do multigrain, gluten-free, even vegan, and also sourdough starter. One thing that I use for this a lot is that I do mix my dough and let it rise in here, which is really great because it kind of like removes that hands-on process and kind of takes away, you know, a lot of that work as far as in like making your breads. So this is definitely a time saver for that because I can literally just put my ingredients in there and it's gonna knead the dough and have it rise and everything. You can also make cakes in here, jams, and have like some other custom settings in here as well. Now another cool thing too is that this goes by time. So you're gonna set the actual time of what it is in your household, let's say like 3:30 or whatever. And then it's going to remember that every time you plug it in. So basically a major feature for me is that you can make bread. You can set all your ingredients in at night and basically set a time for like what time you want your bread done in the morning. So in other words, let's say you want fresh bread finished and ready to go at like 6:30 a.m. You can set that time for 6:30 a.m. and your machine will actually start making the bread and have it ready by that exact time for you. So the cool thing here is that you can also choose your crust control. So if you have like, if you want like light crust, or if you're someone that likes a darker, more crispier crust, you can actually control that as well, which is pretty cool. So very easy, guys. It takes, in my opinion, it's a time saver because it really takes away the time that you're going to need to kind of just like spend with like hands-on and stuff. So pretty good investment, and I think you guys will definitely enjoy this amazing machine.